This is Sparta!
I am so excited for this. Greetings, Star Wars Stackers. How you doing? I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. If you're new to the channel, I'm a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and get the bell notification clicked. That way you get updated with any new content. So today, I have been waiting for this moment for a very long time. I have been waiting for the Leonidas coins. They are arguably one of the coolest coins I have ever seen. So I finally got them today. I've been looking at these for a couple of months, and I just wanted to share this all with you. So without further ado, why don't we just take a look? Oh yeah, and that is totally me in the picture behind me. This is a day I've been waiting for. As many of you know, I posted a video unboxing the Leonidas coins, I should say. I was very excited. I unboxed it. This was for members only because it was going to be an unboxing for all of you. And when I unboxed it and I saw that it was the wrong, there were the wrong coins that were sent to me, I was very upset. So you could tell in the video, I stopped immediately, and I just, even though the coins that were sent to me were actually even more valuable than Leonidas, you know, it's just not what I had ordered. So I was upset. I complained to the company. They apologized. They said, "Oh, we're gonna get this out to you. Send us back the other ones." And yeah, so that's what I did. I sent them back, and yeah. But this is a coin that I have been waiting for months, and I just decided, you know what? I'm just gonna bite the bullet. I'm just gonna buy these coins up, and yeah, these have an extremely low mintage of only 499 in the world. 499 in the world, and I just want to make sure my name isn't in there. Doesn't appear to be. And, yeah, so you know, these are incredible, and I don't know if you've seen them. The one thing that is unfortunate for me, being that I am a person that likes to have complete collections, is that this is the second in the series. So being that it's the second in the series, I feel like I'm going to have to eventually track down the first, which happens to be Spartacus. So, you know, I don't know if they're going to continue on with this series or not. I believe it's Mint of Poland that makes these. But nevertheless, I'll probably end up having to get the first one. All right, let's see if they sent the correct one. And I think as an apology, they were sending me something else, but I'm not so sure that they did. I told them I said, don't worry about, just send me the coins. And they said, okay, all right. It doesn't look like they did send me any free stuff, but c'est la vie. Nothing in there, nothing in there. All right, guys, so here it is, the Leonidas. Oh my God, so excited, so excited. I usually save the bubble packing too, because I reuse it when I'm shipping stuff out to you guys for my auctions. So here we go. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So excited for this. Okay, all right. And add that. And just cut right there. All right, now at least now we have the correct coins. So at least there's that. I don't know if they're gonna have COAs with, like, if they're individually numbered, but all right. So yeah, great commanders. Comes in a nice wooden box. Oh, so excited for this. All right, let's go with the one on the right. What do you think? Let's go with the one on the right. Look at that. Look at that. Certificate of Authenticity, Mint of Poland. This is, let's see. Get this out of the box there. It says 300 Spartans from the series of Great Commanders, being new a legal tender, was struck at the Mint of Poland in conformity with the following specifications. 3 nines fine, blah, 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 blah. Doesn't appear to actually be individually numbered. Oh, okay, so here's some information on Leonidas. All right, let's check this out. Look at that. That is sick. That is just insane. Seeing this in person, I mean, the pictures are awesome, but like, look at the treatment of the blood in there. This guy goes right in his like sternum, and this guy, he's got a bloody spear. That is amazing. The level of detail on that. Now wait until you guys. I mean, this is incredible. Like, all the way back there, the Spartans, just outstanding. And then you flip it over. You've got the battle map there, right? Persian camp there. That is incredible. Seeing this in person is absolutely ridiculous. Let's try to get even closer. And I'll flip it back over again. This is the first coin of this type. You know, this like caliber of collectability that I've purchased. And I am just extremely excited. I'll flip it back over. Check that out. Let's get real close. Let's get all up in there. Look at them. Look at how awesome that is. Just the level of detail, ultra high relief. I don't want to take it out of the capsule. I mean, I kind of want to touch them, but just to like feel all the different levels and whatnot. That's crazy how they do that. Let's check out the other one. One of these will probably go up for auction on my Tuesday night auction. It's just so cool. Look at that. I don't know how they do that. So only 499 of these. You know, it'd be cool if they did 300. They should have done a mintage of only 300 to signify, you know, how many Spartans fought. But absolutely stunning. Check that out. Very excited for this coin. Comes with a very hefty premium, being that there's only 500, not even 499 in the world. So I got two of them. One of them will probably go up on the auction. Very, very cool. All right, guys, and it comes in this great box. Really, really nice. Very strong magnets. Awesome. There you have it, guys. Leonidas coins. So just a quick thank you to these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. And if you like this video, please check out this video. This video is also awesome. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and long live the Empire.